Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug an HDMI cable into your TV or set up a Chromecast on the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromebook. Once done, make sure your Chromebook's Chrome browser and system updates are installed. This prevents handshake errors. Next, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input or open the Chromecast source. These steps remove configuration guesswork, so the device discovery that follows will be fast and reliable. Now perform the actual connection. If you use HDMI, plug both ends and select the TV's HDMI input. Your Chromebook will usually mirror instantly. If you use Chromecast, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, select Cast, and pick your Chromecast or TV. Choose whether to cast a single tab, your full desktop, or a media file. This controls bandwidth and latency. Make sure to set resolution and audio output appropriately to avoid stuttering or muted sound. Finish by confirming audio and display settings. Open media output on your Chromebook and select the TV or Chromecast so sound routes correctly. If you see lag or choppy video, reduce cast resolution or move both devices closer to the router to improve signal. If the TV or Chromecast doesn't show up, reboot the Chromebook, power cycle the TV or Chromecast, and recheck Wi-Fi. This quick restart often resolves discovery problems and gets you back to a clean, stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.